Precision begins here as we move high-grade polymer materials. Intense heat transforms raw polymer into a flexible liquid state. Robotic lasers cut complex security patterns with microscopic precision. A high-tech coating ensures every note remains clean and crisp. Sophisticated applicators create a flawless finish on the polymer base. Only the finest raw pellets ensure our currency's legendary durability. Advanced extrusion creates the incredibly thin yet strong base film. Controlled cooling mist sets the film for the next stage. High voltage treatments prepare the surface for permanent ink bonding. Miles of high-strength film move through our integrated production line. Multiple laser beams work together to shape each future note. Automated precision handles every piece with extreme care and speed. Digital engraving etches unique security data deep into the polymer. Invisible security grids are embedded for maximum counterfeit protection. Advanced cameras inspect every detail at lightning-fast production speeds. Vibrant holographic layers add another dimension of elite security. Engineers monitor every security layer through advanced digital scans. Microtext printing creates details that are invisible to the eye. Rich blue gradients are applied with absolute color consistency. Custom magenta inks are mixed to exact proprietary specifications. Brilliant pigments are loaded into our high-speed printing systems. Multi-stage printing brings the vibrant currency designs to life. Intricate lace patterns are stamped with perfect alignment and pressure. High-speed printing technology handles millions of notes every hour. Massive reserves of printed currency await the final finishing process. Rigorous alignment checks ensure every note meets our standards. Industrial drying ovens cure the ink for lifelong durability. High-speed quality scanners verify every single note on the sheet. Security experts monitor the digital integrity of our systems. Real-time data tracking secures every step of the production. Industrial blades precisely cut sheets into individual currency notes. Each note receives a unique, traceable serial number instantly. Automated systems track every serial number with digital accuracy. High-speed counters organize notes into verified security bundles. Advanced chemical tests prove our ink is virtually indestructible. Extreme pressure tests ensure notes survive the harshest conditions. Scratch-resistant coatings protect the notes from years of wear. High-durability polymer is built to resist tearing and folding. Trained security personnel manage the secure loading of currency. Reinforced cases and electronic locks ensure maximum cargo security. Every case is labeled and tracked through our global network. Secure vaults protect our currency with multi-layered physical barriers. Massive steel vault doors offer the ultimate physical protection. Biometric authentication ensures only authorized personnel access the vault. Armored transport units ensure safe delivery across the country. Logistics and security work together for every successful delivery. Our secure currency is now ready for the global economy.